PLA training video showing military hardware and defensive maneuvers. Submarines, jets, aircraft carriers are under the spotlight of the Navy ahead of the 20th Party Congress. It is the first time the state news broadcaster has shown video of the Type 094A, also known as the Long March 18, since the submarine entered service on April 23 last year as part of celebrations to mark the 72nd anniversary of People's Independence Day. Liberation Army Navy. A Type 094A nuclear-powered strategic ballistic missile submarine appears in a PLA naval training video shown by state media, ahead of the 20th Party Congress. The Chinese Navy, for the first time, released video footage of its most advanced Type 094A nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarine and Type 093 nuclear-powered attack submarine on Thursday. The ships appear in a training video for China's first combat-ready aircraft carrier, the Liaoning. "We have built a joint operations combat system, marking a major step in the transformation from offshore water defense to open sea protection. The Type 094A is capable of launching JL-3 or Zhilong, big-wave, ballistic missiles, which have a range of over 10,000 kilometers, 6,200 miles, enough to hit the U.S. mainland." The Type 094A was one of 3 advanced warships that were put into service on the same day that Chinese President Xi Jinping personally presided over the launch ceremony. The other 2 ships are the Type 075 amphibious helicopter assault ship, and the Renai-class Type 055 missile cruiser. The video shows Zhang Xiaopeng, captain of the Long March 18 submarine, and a 25-year naval veteran, contributing to its development. In a separate video released by the Navy on Wednesday, the fleet, led by the Liaoning, showcased the combined operations capabilities. Previous reports said PLA pilots who had previously flown older fighter jets were asked to help fly the drones. In the video, several J-15 fighter jets from the Liaoning are deployed to simulate aerial combat and perform maneuvers used in encounters with provocative foreign aircraft. "I repeated the warning and started to repel the simulated foreign aircraft after I discovered my colleague was giving me unfriendly signals," said Song Guangjun, a PLA pilot who took part in the drill, adding that he then flew less than 100 meters from the site. Rival aircraft to warn him. "The training is aimed at showing that we are now capable of dealing with provocations from foreign aircraft on the high seas." In the video, J-15 pilots can be heard speaking English while meeting with their simulation partners. Earlier this week it aired video showing 2 J-15 pilots rushing at sea to alert a suspected U.S. missile destroyer. Lu Qiangqiang, a commander in Liaoning, described the giant platform as a human body, with the J-15 as a fist. He said the carrier had been able to cooperate with other warships on joint missions involving early warning surveillance, air defense, anti-missile and anti-submarine operations. Video footage shows the Liaoning being escorted by the country's largest and most advanced Type 055 stealth missile destroyer, as well as a nuclear-powered frigate and attack submarine, among others. The video also shows the stealth capabilities of the latest variant of the Type 093 attack submarine, which is capable of evading detection from rival warships and aircraft. Lu Lixi, a former naval instructor at Taiwan's Naval Academy in Kaohsiung, said the CCTV videos and reports were a show of political propaganda ahead of the 20th Party Congress, at which Tsai, who also heads the all-powerful Central Military Commission, is widely expected to secure an unprecedented third term. "Gun demonstrations always have political significance to help set the mood for big political events like party congresses," Lu said. "All strategic weapons, especially aircraft carriers and submarines, are good marks in Xi's report of achievements over the past decade."